Okay, so the next question, question number 7. Find the sum of first 22 terms of an AP. So they are saying sum of first 22 terms. That means n becomes 22. Sum of 22 terms means they are asking S22. Find the sum of first 22 terms of an AP in which D is 7. So D value is 7. 22nd term is 149. So A22 is 149 is what is given to you in the question. So it's important you read the question part by part and write down what is given and what is the question asking. Okay. Alright. So here A22 is equals to 149 given. So let us use that condition. A22 is in the form an, nth term. We know the formula for an. An is a plus n minus 1 into d. An is a plus n minus 1 into d. That is 149. So for A22, n is 22 and d value is given as 7. So let us substitute. So a plus 22 minus 1 meaning 21 into the common difference value is 7 is equals to 149. So let us simplify. We get a as 149. This is going to give you 147. So 149 minus 147 gives you a value as 2. Okay. They are asking S22. So S22 we can find using this formula n by 2. So 22 by 2 is 11. 2a. So 2 into a is 2 as well. 2a plus n minus 1. 22 minus 1 is 21. Into common difference value is given in the question as 7. So let us simplify. We get 11. This is going to be 4 plus 147. So this is 151. 11 into 151. So 151 in this will give you 1661 as your answer. So the sum of the 22 terms is 1661. That's how we solve this question. Okay. So the next question, question number 8. Find the sum of first 51 terms of an AP. So n becomes 51 because it's saying sum of first 51 terms. And find the sums. That means they're asking S51. Okay, so find the sum of first 51 terms of an AP whose second and third terms are 14 and 18. So second term is 14. So second term means A2 is 14 and third term is 18. Okay, so A3 becomes 18. So this is what is given to you in the question. Now you see A2 and A3 they are of the form an, nth term, and an we know the formula a plus n minus 1 into d. So for A2 and A3 will use the respective formulas. A2 becomes a plus 2 minus 1 which is 1d is equals to 14 and A3 becomes a plus 2d is equals to 18. So we solve these two equations using elimination method. We change the sign here. So this cancels. Plus d minus 2d becomes minus d is equals to 14 minus 18 is minus 4. So d value becomes plus 4 after simplification. Okay, this d value we substitute in the first equation. A plus d is 4 is equals to 14. So that gives us a value as 10. The question is to find S51. So now S51 can be found out using this formula. N by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, where n becomes 51, a and d values we just found out. So we just do the substitution and simplify. So n by 2, 2 into a plus 51 minus 1 is 50 into the common difference value is 4. Okay, so we just simplify now. 51 by 2 into this is 20, this is 200. So that will give you 220. Okay, and we do the cancellation. This is 110. So 110 into 51 will give you the answer. So 51. So 561 and 0. So 5610 is your answer for this question. Okay, so the next question, question number 9. If the sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49, sum of first 7 terms, meaning S7 is given as 49. And that of 17 terms is 289. Sum of 17 terms is 289. Find the sum of first n terms. So find the sum of n terms means we have to find Sn. So sum of n terms. So n will remain n itself. We don't have to find n value. find the sum of n terms means n remains n itself. Okay, so S7 equals to 49, S17 equals to 289. We'll use a respective formula for each. This formula. So S7 becomes 7 by 2, meaning n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1. So n is, in this case, is 7. So 6d. So this is equals to 49 we get. So the 7 by 2, when I take it to the other side, it becomes a reciprocal. So I get 2a plus 6d is equals to 49 into the 7 by 2 becomes a reciprocal. We get 2 by 7. This 7 and 49 cancels 7 times. So 7 into 2, 14. So 2a plus 6d is equals to 14 is what we get. We can divide by 2 on both the sides. We'll see later on if we need to divide or not. S17, I'll use the respective formula here as well. 17 by 2, n by 2 into 2a plus 17 minus 1 into d. So which is 16d. So this is equals to 289. Okay, I've used the formula for S17. This formula. Okay, so the 17 by 2 goes to the other side. You take the reciprocal. You're left with 2a plus 16d is equals to 289 into 17 by 2 becomes the reciprocal when it goes to the other side, becomes 2 by 17. So 17 ones are 17 into 17 is 289. So what do you get here? 2a plus 16d as 17 into 2, 34. So these are your two equations. So these two equations we need to solve them using any of the elimination or substitution or cross multiplication method. So let us solve this by elimination method. So this equation I'll write down here, 2a plus 6d equals to 14, and I'll subtract them. So when I subtract, I should change the signs here. So this 2a cancels. 16d minus 6d gives you 10d is equal to 34 minus 14 gives you 20. So d value we get as 2. Okay, this d value we substitute in one of the equations. So let us say I substitute here, I get 2a plus 6 into 2. So a value will be 14 minus 12, 2. So 2 and this 2 goes down. I get a value as 1. Okay. So they're asking Sn value. So Sn means n remains n. The formula n by 2, 2a. A value is 1. 2a plus n minus 1 into common difference. Common difference value is 2. I simplify. N by 2, this is 2, and this 2 with n minus 1 I should multiply. So I'll get 2n minus 2. Plus 2 minus 2 cancels out. So I'll left with just 2n. N by 2 into 2n. This 2 and this 2 cancels out. So this n multiplied by n will give you n square as your answer. So the sum of n terms in this question is equals to n square. We can leave our answer just as n square. Okay, if they had mentioned find the sum of 25 terms, so in that case we would have substituted n as 25, s25. Okay, but in this question it's only given that they're asking find the sum of n terms, so n remains n itself. Okay.